How are you, Kickserv friends? Today we'll talk about a useful tip to manage multiple property managers. We know that property managers can be a great source of repeat business for our customers. The only challenge with this is keeping track of which manager handles which property. So, we have something for you to keep everything organized. Let's use the following example. Imagine that Maple Street Property Management is one of your many customers, but this agency has 4 property managers that at the same time manage 3 properties each. First, you need to create a parent record, which in this case would be Maple Street Property Management. Then, inside this parent record, you would create a service location for each property this agency manages. In total, there would be 12 service locations. Here we have all 12 but one. So let's create it. Okay, so this service location name is 123 Main Street Apartments. Here you can change the contact information, but I'm gonna leave it the same. Here we have the address. I'm gonna build it to the parent address and save the contact. And here we have our new service location. Now, in each of the 12 service locations, you would list an additional contact the property manager currently assigned to that specific location. For example, for 123 Main Street Apartments, Seabreeze and Tropicana Towers, John Smith is a property manager, so he's going to be listed as the additional contact. Here we add it. John Smith, his phone is this one, his work phone, and we create the contact. And here we have it as an additional contact. Then, for example, for the venue, the Galleria, the clubhouse, Andrea Miller will be the additional contact, and so on with all the other properties. It is vital to keep everything updated. For example, if a property manager stops working for that agency, if a service location changes, or a new one is added, the key is to make sure that all the information is up to date. So we've reached to the end of the video. If you have more questions about this, leave a comment and don't forget to give us a like. Bye bye!